Hi everyone, G Auntie's Kitchen here. I got here some Bun Puff. It's a combination of ingredients of Nigerian buns and puff puff. The crust, if I may call it that, is brown like puff puff, and the inside very soft like buns, not so oily like puff puff. So let's get into our Bun Puff. I'll be using 2 raisin agents, yeast for the puff, baking powder for the bun parts. And what's buns without cinnamon or nutmeg? So I am going to use cinnamon. For a quick tip, if you are transferring things from their original containers, you might want to write the expiry dates on the containers you transferred it into. Or sometimes some original containers, the expiry dates fades easily, so you might use a permanent marker to put in the expiry dates so you do not eat expired products. To the sifted flour in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, yeast a teaspoon, salt goes in, cinnamon I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. If you are using nutmeg, you might use half. In goes the sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, mix everything together. I'm going to rub in 2 tablespoons of margarine. That's all done. This is optional. Use citrus zest. I'm using lemon. When the zest combines with the cinnamon, it gives a very nice flavor. So I'm mixing it together. Imagine if you use orange zest. Make the hole in the center. To 1 beaten egg, I'm going to add half a cup of water. I'm going to use 3/4 cup of water in all. So I'm going to go bit by bit. In goes the egg and water mixture into the flour mixture. Finally, 1/4 cup of water. Okay, all mixed together. Look at what we've got. Look at the batter. So I'm gonna leave it to rise. I will leave it to rise in a warm place till it has risen to double in size, and it might take at most 20 minutes depending on the age of the yeast. So I'll see you in a bit. And here it is. The yeast has done its work. The baking powder has done its work. This is what we've got. Time to fry. I've got a pot on the stove and I'm pouring vegetable oil. While the oil gets hot, I dipped a spoon in water to show you how I'm going to fry by spoonfuls, because I did not have an ice cream scoop. The oil is hot. I'm dropping by spoonfuls into the oil, and I tested the oil if it's the right temperature by dropping just a tiny drop of water, and if it gives a sound, that means I'm ready to fry. And as you can see, the batter is between buns and puff puff consistency, midway in between. See the shape like buns. I'm going to drain in a paper towel, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.